ba personally, ano sa'yo? Ano ang love?
Alam mo, sa dinami-dami na ng experience ko,
Mm-mm.
as a parent, as a son, as a brother,
Mm-mm.
as a sister.
As a sister.
As a sister. Also
Are
a
we
friend,
Oo.
as a husband, as a
Mm.
father.
Mm-mm.
Alam mo, dun yung sacrifice.
Yeah. You always sacrifice, to the people you love.
Yung sacrifice is to the point that you're happy kasi you see them happy.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
You were able to serve them as well.
Kasi yun yung ano eh, yung happiness, pag nagmahal ka,
Mm-hmm.
yung happiness mo is to see them happy. Kahit sino pa yan, kahit friend mo pa yan, kahit anak mo pa yan, kahit ano, as long as they are happy and successful,
Mm-mm.
yun yung contentment mo.
Mm-mm.
Is yung self-satisfactory mo.
Self-satisfaction.
Yeah, that's basically the love,
Mm-mm.
yung description ko nun.